Ever pondered on how to amass wealth right from the comfort of your home? Puzzled about where to begin, or what opportunities exist? Well, wonder no more. Today we're delving into 10 proven ways to make money from home, each with its unique perks and challenges. First on the list is freelancing. With skills ranging from writing and graphic design to programming and marketing, the freelancing world offers a myriad of opportunities. Websites like Upwork or Fiverr serve as platforms where you can showcase your skills and connect with clients globally. Next up, consider starting a blog. If you have a passion for a particular topic or niche, sharing your insights, experiences, and opinions can attract a loyal audience. With time, this can translate into income through advertising, sponsored posts, or affiliate marketing. Thirdly, online tutoring is a great option. If you're an expert in a subject or skill, why not share your knowledge with others? With platforms like tutor.com, you can earn money by helping students learn and grow. Fourth, e-commerce or dropshipping can be quite profitable. This involves setting up an online store, sourcing products from suppliers and selling them to customers. The best part? You don't have to worry about inventory or shipping. Fifth, consider becoming a virtual assistant. This job involves providing administrative support to businesses or entrepreneurs remotely. Tasks can range from managing emails and schedules to handling social media accounts. Voiceover. Before we move on to the next way to make money from home, we'd like to take a moment to remind you to subscribe to our channel for more amazing content like this. We're always looking for innovative ways to help you achieve your financial goals right from the comfort of your home. Also, if you've found any of these methods particularly interesting, or if you've tried any of them before, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear about your experiences. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post a new video. Your support helps us create more informative content for you. Now let's get back to our list. Sixth on the list is affiliate marketing. This involves promoting other companies' products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Next, consider stock trading or investing. While it requires careful research and risk management, successful trading or investing can yield substantial returns. Eighth, consider earning through social media. If you have a sizable following on platforms like Instagram or YouTube, you can monetize your audience through sponsored posts, partnerships, or ad revenue. Ninth, consider self-publishing. If you've got a knack for writing, consider penning a book and publishing it on platforms like Amazon Kindle. You'll earn money every time someone purchases or reads your book. Lastly, renting out property can be a steady source of income. Whether it's a room in your house or an entire property, platforms like Airbnb make it easy to connect with potential renters. So there you have it, 10 proven ways to make money from home. Freelancing, blogging, online tutoring, e-commerce, virtual assistants, affiliate marketing, stock trading, social media, self-publishing, and renting out property. Each presents unique opportunities to generate income from the comfort of your home. Remember, success in these ventures requires patience, dedication, and a willingness to learn. So, take a leap of faith, explore these opportunities, and you might just stumble upon your ticket to financial freedom. And that's it for today's video, folks. We hope you found our exploration into making money from home insightful and inspiring. Remember, the key to success is taking that first step. Choose a method that resonates with you, learn as much as you can about it, and give it a go. If you've enjoyed this video and found it useful, please give it a thumbs up. Your support means a lot to us and helps us create more content like this. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. That way you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video, and you won't miss out on any of our tips and tricks to achieve financial independence. Thank you for spending your time with us today. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing more valuable content with you. So until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep moving forward on your journey to financial freedom. Thank you for watching.